Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Dashlane on one of the most popular password managers out there. If you're tired of forgetting passwords, writing them on sticky notes, or using 1 2 3 4 5 6 way to often this video is for you. I will show you how to set up Dashlane, use its best features, and keep your online life secure and stress free. So, what exactly is Dashlane? It's a password manager that securely stores your login information, autofills passwords and forms, generates strong passwords, and even alerts you if your data is part of a breach. You can access your passwords on your computer, phone, or tablet, and everything is encrypted end to end. Let's get started with setting it up. Go to dashlane.com and click download or login. Then from here, click add to Chrome. Then click add extension. And that's it. Now enter your email. Then click next. Click create a master password or create a passwordless account. And enter your strong password and click create my account. Now that Dashlane is set up, let's start adding passwords. You can manually add passwords by clicking add items. Then click add your first login as you browse, like Instagram or Facebook. Then open selected website. Then log in by entering your username and password and click save when Dashlane offers to store your login information. Super easy. You can organize logins into categories or spaces like work, personal, social, etc. Or the easier way, just log into your accounts like usual, and Dashlane will offer to save them automatically. Once saved, Dashlane will autofill your logins. Whatever, whenever you visit a site. One of Dashlane's best tools is the password generator. click on passkeys, then select check supported services, and enter your account URL like YouTube. Then copy the URL and paste here, or delete this and search or Facebook or any other platform. Then click use password to autofill into a sign up form. Dashlane has some extra features that take it to the next level. Password health, dark web monitoring, VPN, etc. Most of these work with the pre-plan, but premium adds more flexibility and syncing across devices. If you are always on your phone, Dashlane's phone app is a must. Available on Android and iOS. Use biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID. Autofill logins in apps and browsers. Access secure notes and generated passwords on the go. Having your password vault in your pocket is a game changer. So that's how you use Dashlane, a password manager that makes life easier and more secure, whether you're a student, freelancer, or just tired of resetting your passwords every week. Dashlane has your back. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Dashlane feature you like most, or if you want a comparison video with other password managers. And thanks for watching.